Hey everyone, welcome back to Quick Tech Tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to use Google Classroom from the teacher's perspective. It's a really awesome tool to use that helps with managing assignments, announcements, and even student accountability. So one of the first things you need to do as a teacher when you start using Google Classroom is you need to actually create a classroom. So the first thing we need to do is we need to sign into Google using our school Gmail account. So I'm going to enter in my school email and password, and then we'll go from there. Okay, I've signed in, and I know I've signed in correctly because my icon is up in the top right corner. So for me to access Google Classroom, I need to click the Google Apps logo, which are these 9 little boxes right here. So I'm going to click that, and one of my first icons is Google Classroom. If it doesn't appear up in the top, you can scroll down a little bit and find the chalkboard that says Classroom. So we're going to click on that now. Now you're going to see a lot of my classes already. I teach high school technology, so I have my electronics, my engineering classes, and I even have some clubs that I do. So this is what it will look like once you start to create multiple classes. What we're going to do here is we want to create a new class. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click the plus sign up in the top right corner. And I have a menu to either join a class or create a class. So we're going to click create a class. Now it's really simple to create a class. The first thing you need that's required is a class name. So we're just going to call this class Tech Tutorials. If you wanted to add a section number, we'll call it section 123. We'll say subject, technology. You can call it whatever you want. And even if you wanted to add a room number, you could do that. And it's that simple. The next step is I'm going to click create. And it may take a minute or so. Sometimes it goes quicker. But once the class is fully created, it will take you to the dashboard of that classroom. Okay, so my class is created. I'm now in the dashboard of the home page of the classroom. This is what it looks like. Again, I have my class name up in the top, my section number. In the next tutorials that I'll post, I'm going to explain what Stream is, what classwork is, how to get people to join your classroom, and how to even make announcements and assignments. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Please make sure to click subscribe below and turn on notifications, and also follow us on Instagram at quick_tech_tutorials to stay updated on any new tutorials we post.